Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can access Street View on Google Maps app. It's quite simple to do, so let's begin right away. First, open your Google Maps app. Then, search for the place that you want to view. You just have to write it here on the search bar. Then, tap on the search key. So the map of that place will appear as well as this widget right here. So just tap on it. And as you can see, we have now successfully accessed the street view. You can just slide or drag on the screen to see a different view. You can also double tap on the screen like this to move forward. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.